Do Wi-Fi extenders work? Wi-Fi extenders are often seen as a quick fix for weak or dead spots in home networks. But do they really work effectively? Here's a detailed breakdown of how Wi-Fi extenders function, their benefits, limitations, and alternatives. 1. What are Wi-Fi extenders? Wi-Fi extenders, also known as Wi-Fi boosters or repeaters, are devices designed to extend the range of your wireless network by amplifying and rebroadcasting the existing signal from your router. 2. How do Wi-Fi extenders work? Wi-Fi extenders work by receiving the Wi-Fi signal from your router, amplifying the signal's strength, rebroadcasting the signal to areas with weak or no coverage, effectively increasing the Wi-Fi range. 3. Are Wi-Fi extenders effective? Yes, Wi-Fi extenders are effective in extending your network range, but their performance depends on several factors, including distance from the router. Extenders need to be placed within a good signal range of the router to rebroadcast effectively. Obstructions, walls, floors, and other physical barriers can still weaken the extended signal. Bandwidth limitations. Extenders may reduce overall speed because they rebroadcast the signal on the same frequency. 4. Benefits of Wi-Fi extenders. Eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or office. Affordable solution compared to upgrading to a new router or mesh system. Easy to install and set up with minimal technical knowledge required. Compatible with most routers and devices. 5. Limitations of Wi-Fi extenders. Reduce speed. Extenders often cut bandwidth in half because they receive and transmit data on the same channel. Limited range. They can only extend coverage a certain distance from the router. Interference from walls and appliances. Thick walls, microwaves, and other devices can still cause signal degradation. Network complexity. May create a new network named SSID, requiring manual switching between networks in some cases. 6. How to maximize the performance of Wi-Fi extenders. Place the extender halfway between your router and the dead zone. Avoid placing near thick walls or metal objects. Use dual band extenders for better speed and coverage. Ensure your router is up to date with the latest firmware for optimal performance. 7. Alternatives to Wi-Fi extenders. Mesh Wi-Fi systems. Provide seamless whole home coverage with multiple nodes working together. Powerline adapters. Use electrical wiring in your home to extend the internet signal. Upgrading your router. A more powerful router with better range and newer technology can improve coverage. Access points. Hardwired devices that extend Wi-Fi without the signal loss common in extenders. 8. Are Wi-Fi extenders worth it? Wi-Fi extenders are worth it if you need to. Improve Wi-Fi coverage in small to medium-sized areas. Eliminate specific dead spots. Boost signal strength on a budget. However, for larger homes or higher performance needs, a mesh Wi-Fi system or router upgrade may be a better long-term solution. Wi-Fi extenders do work by extending the range of your wireless network, but they come with limitations such as reduced speed and signal interference. For the best results, proper placement and setup are key. And for more seamless performance, alternatives like mesh systems may be worth considering.